again.
Wait.
Let's get this 6-cylinder championship underway. Here they come. Number 19, Isaac Casper.
He's good.
Number 38 is Sean Schroet. Number 28 is Mike Meyer. 024 will be Chris Sata. 23L is Billy Lashinsky. 74X Kevin Johnson. Number 0, Christian Payne. Number 4 will be Brendan Buss. And 911 Junior, Alyssa Manlick. Yeah, there's some fans for her. Let's cheer her on and see how she does. 9 cars. $500 on the line and a trophy for the champion. Following this heat, we'll have the large championship. That'll be the final heat of the day. Here we go. Oh, a nice hit right there, right off the bat. 23L, Billy Lashinsky. And now in the corner. 2P, look at that one. What a nice hit, Christian Payne. Some heavy hits going on already. Number 28. Mike Meyer with a big hit in there as well. Cars all over the place. 911 Junior. Alyssa Manlick having some trouble. Oh, pinned up in the corners. Christian Payne. Now Payne bails out. Look out! And a heavy hit on Isaac Casper. And then 28 Mike Meyer gets in there. 23L as well. Billy Lashinsky. Wow, some unbelievable hits taking place. Christian Payne just got totally smashed by 74X Kevin Johnson. 74X Kevin Johnson. Look out! Christian Payne took a heavy hit. 23L Billy Lashinsky right in the middle. We got a red flag. Hang on. We got car parts laying everywhere. We're going to stop for just a second, get those parts off the track. Then we'll continue with the 6-cylinder championship. Some beautiful hits taking place already. And more to come here at the fair.
She's taping it. I'm taking it.
Here we go, green flag is out. Some more hits going on. Christian Payne right there with a shot on Alyssa Manlick. Oh, another tire just went.
He had a fucking
Heavy hitting going on right now in the 6-cylinder championship. Isaac Casper in the corner looks like he could be done. That red car, number 19. Brendan Buss with a good hit right there. 23L. Billy Lashinsky. Another red flag. We got to stop it again. What's going on?
Making sure he's okay.
We got another red flag. And they're talking to number 2P, Christian Payne.
My goodness.
Yellow, go Mike! Really?
Go,
No, you're not. She's just ready for a nap. That's why she's being
Not yet.
Say hi. Or kisses. Be nice to her. I'm even smarter than that.
Right?
Go,
Nice. She don't want a drink. You want a drink? Okay, give her a drink.
All right, we got a green flag. We're underway again with the 6-cylinder championship. And I'll tell you what, as soon as you drop that flag, these cars go. $500 on the line. Chris Payne still in there as well. Here comes 38 making his way around Sean Schroed. Now he's going part way out the track. He's backing up in the orange car. Meanwhile, 28 Mike Meyer still running around out there as well. 23L, Billy Lashinsky is pushed into the berm. That won't be good for him. He may be done. And here comes number 4, Brendan Bruss. Nice hit right there on 38, Sean Schroed. 74X meanwhile. Kevin Johnson in there as well. And it looks like 2P, Christian Payne is done. And now Alyssa Manlick is still going. Oh, but a big hit right there by Brendan Bruss. And another one on Kevin Johnson. And now 23L. Billy Lashinsky's still in there. He's cutting through and hitting everybody. Great action here at the fairgrounds. The 6-cylinder championship. Still at least 3 or 4 cars moving. Brendan Bruss is still in there. He's done these demolition derbies before. He's a tough one to beat as well.
Come on, Mike!
74X Kevin Johnson, no front tire on his driver's side. And meanwhile, 28 Mike Meyer is still trying to hang on. Here comes Brendan Bruss. He's chasing Alyssa Manlick around. Manlick trying to hang in there. Brendan Bruss still in there for sure.
Come on, Mike!
28 Mike Meyer still in there. Isaac Casper, number 19, got knocked out a long time ago. Kevin Johnson, no front tire on his left side. He's having problems. And 28 Mike Meyer goes over there and puts a hit on Johnson.
Want to get hit? Take the flags off.
Right?
Meyer goes over, puts a hit on Brendan Bruss.
Come on, Mike.
Alyssa Manlick's still going. Them 3 are still in it for sure.
Come on, Mike!
He's got third if nothing else.
Bruss, Meyer, and Manlick. Them are the only 3 that remain right now. Oh, and a nice hit on stop right there. Oh, look at Kevin Johnson trying to make a comeback.
No!
He's been out a long
Yeah,
time.
that's
We'll
been
see how
2
far
minutes.
that car goes.
He should have been timed out.
He's been timed out a long time ago.
Wow.
Kevin Johnson, Brendan Bruss, Alyssa Manlick still in there.
Come on, Mike!
Oh, big hit right there. Brendan Bruss.
Come on, Mike!
A lot of people cheering on Alyssa Manlick, number 911 junior.
Come on, Mike. Get her going.
Come on, ladies, cheer on. This one's coming down to the wire. Cars getting beat up pretty bad. The worst for the wear. Still a couple 3 cars remain. Now it looks like 28, Mike Meyer, could be hung up and done. We'll see. 74, that's Kevin Johnson. I thought he was done a little while ago. But he's still trying to make some hits.
He should have been done.
Here comes Brendan Bruss. Look out! He's going to hit Johnson! Oh, what a shot he put on Kevin Johnson! No way! Johnson's coming out of that one.
Come on, Mike! Yeah!
Mike Meyer!
Yeah! Woo!
How much longer? That's the question. Cars spinning around all over the place. Brendan Bruss. And Mike Meyer still in there.
Just don't unhook those other 2.
Meyer was hung up for quite a spell. Then he got freed up and he's hanging in there.
Get it, Mike. Get it.
Brendan Buss and Mike Meyer battling it out.
Keep hitting me, Mike.
Come on, Mike!
Uh-oh.
Yeah!
All right, Buss gets it fired up. He's still running.
Keep him back, good
Some
Mike.
great action here at the fairgrounds. 2 cars remain.
Yeah!
Well, we got a red flag. Let's see what the deal is right here.
Fire, maybe?
And it looks like we got a car on fire.
What's that?
I noticed Andy had a fire before the rest did.
We'll get that taken care of by the Randall Fire Department
Keep it running, Mike.
Oh, really? And
and continue with the 6-cylinder championship.
Yeah, he was over there
Oops,
waving and
where
everything.
am I?
Mike wanted them hitting him so he can get out of there.
That's where you come in at.
They just like pulled up so they didn't go
Pretty much. That's where Timmy was. She ran over here last year.
I'm like facing this way. I was screaming in your
Worst he's got now is second.
Right. Yeah.
That's what, 300?
Yep, I think so.
I think that's what it said. 5, 3, and 1.
Nobody?
Brendan's a good driver.
Yeah, he's battling.
He's known as the Bruss Brothers. It's him and then I think his brother is Brian.
You can tell I'm not much in the Derby clan, can you?
I didn't think I was either until I started talking. I'm like, ah.
You see Mike? Is Mike going to win?
He's got it running yet.
Come on, Mike!
Go, Dad! Go, come on!
He picked it up and then he started shaking his hand, so he picked it up again.
Go, Mike.
Okay, we got that fire put out. Thanks to the Randall Fire Department for being here today helping out. We'll see if either one of these last 2 cars can get going and finish the 6-cylinder championship. Large championship coming up next. That'll be the final heat of the day. 74X Kevin Johnson still trying to get that car loose.
Come on!
Push him in! Push him in!
74 should be done.
28 Mike Meyer put some hits on Brendan Buss. This one could be over. We'll see if Buss can get that car moving, number 4.
Come on, Mike! Get him! Woo! Come on, Mike!
Good job by our 6-cylinder cars today. We're at the Madison County Fair.
Get him! Woo!
Another hit right there by Meyer. We'll watch for the checkered flag.
Yeah!
Push him out. Mike, I think I'm up again now.
That's okay. He did the last hit.
This one could be over.
Come on, Mike!
It's over! The results in just a minute.
That was like an earthquake.
Yeah, there you go.
You know.
Is that the guy you wanted to win?
Okay, ready? Everybody say takes his helmet off.
Say, yay, Mike! Wow!
Good sportsmanship right there by our drivers.
I'm gonna go get Destiny's in. Can I check there? I'll go.
Job well done by the 6-cylinders here today. Get these cars off the track. We'll go to the large championship.
Hey, Mason.
Coming up next, $900 is out.